Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add the Stripe to Shopify. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open your Shopify store. Now let's add Stripe. Stripe is a way to accept payments like credit cards in your store. To add it, go to your settings from your bottom left corner. Then, click on Payments from the left. Here, you can add different payment methods. Click on Choose a Provider. Look for Stripe. There it is. Now, select it. You will need to sign in to your Stripe account through Shopify. Enter your email address to continue. Then, add the password. Once done, click on Connect. They will send a verification to make sure it's you connecting Stripe to your Shopify. Once verified, you're connected. If you don't see Stripe in your payment options, it might not be available in your country. You might need to change your country or create a new Stripe account, but usually you will find it in the payment providers section. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.